What is the role of JavaScript in Flipkart kind of applications? Not only Flipkart, you can see something like Book My Show or Make My Trip or any kind of platforms. How those platforms are really working and what is the role of JavaScript in that kind of applications? So let us see. So here in this Flipkart, if you click on mobiles, you are able to see so many mobiles. And if you click on, for example, Realme, you can find out so many mobiles which are displaying it. I'm not going to discuss anything like infinite scrolling, all those things. First of all, my intention is how JavaScript is really helping us or really helping Flipkart to display websites like this. For example, here you have lot of Realme mobile phones. So these are all not actually created in a static way. That means somebody who wrote the complete HTML page, which included these images, these text. This is all not happened in a fixed HTML page. These all images, I mean to say, these all entire layout or entire content is generated dynamically. So what will happen in real time is whenever you click on a particular link, this template is already there, and the main major thing is this data will come in a JSON format. Let us see this JSON format for your understanding. Just I want to show you that. So here I can find out in the fetch, we have a lot of content here. This is the format for all these products which are ever displaying over here. So in this particular products, in this particular JSON data, we have a lot of URLs. For example, I want to search for Realme P1 5G. Okay, Realme C51. So here I'll go for Realme C51. So here there is no C51. Yeah. Can you see that C51 title? Realme C51 Carbon Black 64 GB. So this is the actual format of this entire UI. So we have to convert this and we have to create this kind of UI for this kind of data. So how do we do that? We will understand with the small examples. We directly don't go to print the entire Flipkart. First, we will take some data. So for that, we have some data like there are some APIs. For example, um, fake store API slash products. In this, it will give you the array of products. So we can generate that kind of UI by using this array of products. Okay. So for this, I'm not going to use any API call or anything that will be coming in the future. So to understand that, before that, first of all, we'll copy this code and what do we do is we will try to save it in a small file. Let us practically do this with an example. If you want, you can check my description for the complete project details. So here we go. I will create a branch called, okay, let me push my old branch so that the old details will be saved. And here I am creating the new branch. Branch name is Flipkart clone. Okay. So here, whatever the files are there, I'll remove them. So generally what do I do is all the data I will save it in data.js, and here I will save directly, but I will say something like where products is equal to, okay, so that this entire products are now available over here. And then here I will create one more file called just index.html. So here HTML in the head section, I will load those products here. src is equal to dot slash data.js. And in the body, I would like to write a script, and I directly say console.log of products, so that I'll see whether the products are loaded or not. So here in the console, array of 20 products information is there. So I can make use of these products, and I start developing the UI. So for that, what I'm supposed to do is, you can dynamically generate the UL also. That is not a problem. But let us start with the UL already there in the body, where whose ID is something like products. Okay. So first I just want to display these products in that UL. So for that, I will make use of document object to generate each particular title list item. So I'll generate a list item for each particular title. So that will be done by iteration of products dot for each. I'll use a for each. In the for each, I will call product, and here I will create a product li is equal to document dot create element of li. So how to create a product, how to create an element, how to select an element, how to apply the content, all these things will be already discussed in the DOM class, I mean DOM video. I will put that link also in the description. You can go through that DOM video and enjoy that basic video. After that, you come back here and learn it. So after that, product li dot inner HTML is equal to product dot title, because the data format is like that. If format document, yes, if you can see in the products, there is a products is an array of objects. In each object, we have product details. So the details, the title of the product is available in title property. So here I have created the list item, and in that list item, product title got inserted. So now after creation of product title, I will insert into this UL. So for that, first I will select that UL, and in that I'll append all the product list item, whatever I have created now. So this product list item, I am appending it into the UL. So now if you see the output, you will able to see all the product names. Let us slowly style it, and let us slowly improvise it parallelly, both with CSS as well as JavaScript. So here I am writing a styles dot CSS, and I would like to include that styles dot CSS here. So here I am styling something like the list item I have inside the products should be something like okay, before that I need to hash products. I'll style the products display flex, so that all of them will come in the same line, and then I will apply flex wrap. Okay, and then I will make sure each product list item is having the width of 200 EX, and then the margin of each product list item is Otherwise, make sure you have a gap of 10 px. Okay. And list style none, so that the dots will be removed. And I'll improvise the gap with 20 px so that they will be separated properly. And then I would like to apply the box, right? Something like BORDER border 1 px solid gray, and with some padding 20 px, so that they are all displayed in boxes. And justify content space evenly, so that they will be spaced in a proper way. I think this is good. And now I just apply some font family. Basically, font family will really change the look and feel of it. So overall, I have the boxes with me, and now I have to create the image inside that. So now, along with the product title, I would like to put the image in the particular box. So here I had to create an image where product img is equal to document dot create element of img product image dot src is equal to product dot what is that, img it seems. And product image dot width, please apply some width at least for time being. And then append this to the list item, product li dot append child of product image. So now I think I have done some mistake here. That is not img, it is image. So here src is equal to product dot image. So now you should be able to see the images. 1 minute. It is not just width. You should mention that style dot width is equal to 200 px, so that you will able to see the images also properly set up over here. So we will style those images in a later state. In this example, we are able to create the products with their images. This is how this kind of I mean, it is having lot of data, so you are able to see in such a way. But when it comes to simplify this kind of examples, you can make sure you can do this. So if it is possible, try to create other details of the data, like rating and pricing, all these things, and you will definitely understand that. Okay, so here the next issue should be something like, I want to sort based on the price, because this is the minimum thing wherever you go, wherever, whatever the website you see, price high to low and price low to high. So how to achieve these kind of things? Let us add the sorting process into our e-commerce site, whatever the just products, whatever we are displaying it over here. They are too big, right? So let us reduce. Is it? So I just zoomed it. How 200 pixels can be so big? Anyways, so this is absolutely fine. So now let us see something else. Let us add small buttons where they can sort the product price accordingly. But first of all, even for product price, let us create one product H2 or something like that to display the price. So here I am creating where product H2 is equal to document dot create element of H2, and product H2 dot inner HTML is equal to product dot price, and I append that product price over here. So actually product not H2, we should have made it something like this. Okay, so after this we'll do one thing. Product li should be styled in a better way, that is display flex and flex direction column, and justify content space between, so that they will come in the proper way. Okay, I hope you liked it. And then we need, this should be in the rupees, right? So here I would like to put it in something like price. So hope it is properly aligned. Yeah. So price, they are all in the, not in the ascending order or descending order or based on the price. They are all displayed in according to the order in which the JSON is, or whatever the data is coming up. So now here we go. That is, how do I make these products in a sorted order? So for that, first of all, let me create a button sort by price, so that in high to low. And when I click on this button, sort price by low to high. So these are the two buttons. Let us apply some styling also. So this is class is equal to button. Oh, wait. Let me use some bootstrap, so that you will enjoy that bootstrap. Okay. So here bootstrap. So I need these two links. I will just put it over here. So now I can directly apply my classes. Class is equal to btn success. The same way btn danger, something like that, so that I can have two buttons, and those two buttons are helpful for us. So if you really want some margin, okay. So now when I click on sort price by price in high to low, sort by price in high to low and low to high. When I click on this button, let me call a function on click is equal to sort by price ASC in ascending order. Sort by price in DSC, descending order. So here I can call the function, no problem. Function sort by price in ascending order. That's fine. So what I should do, I have to sort the products first. Products dot sort. Yes, we have an approach of sorting based on the price. So if a dot price, if you want these array methods, please refer my old videos. If price is greater than b dot price, uh, return 1, else return -1. So here first I am sorting based on the price. So yeah. So after sorting whatever the data left, for that again I have to do this entire for each. So I will take this particular sorted data and again I will regenerate or do this work again. So again I'll make that, but in the before generating, what we will do is document.getElement by ID of products dot inner HTML is equal to empty. So that whenever I am what happened? Okay, leave about that width and all. When I click on sort by high to low, you can see only one thing coming in. Here I did a small mistake. That is, for every product I am, I am clearing the inner HTML of the UL. So instead of that, as soon as I click on the button, I'll first make the inner HTML as empty and then I sort it and then I'll print it. And one more thing, -1 here and +1 here. So that now by default, this uh, data is like this. But when I click on high to low, the highest product is coming here, the lowest product price is coming down. So yes, this is working well and good, right? So now again, if I see guys, I just want to show you the importance of refactoring or importance of the function. Okay. Yes, I know I am repeating the code again and again. I can refactor that. So first of all, you need to understand this. So when I click on this sort by price in descending order, I just need to call the same kind of function. But here I need to put the 1 and -1 for descending order. So now if I click on low to high, it is showing me low to high and high to low and low to high. Yes, this is the basic common logic behind your all Flipkart or e-commerce or anything, whatever, even filtering also the same kind of approach or practice. We will do it. Yes, of course, definitely we will practice that as well. But I hope you like this video and I hope you want to implement the same thing. And if you really liked it, whatever the features you want to implement, whatever the features you want me to implement on this particular project, put that features in the comment below. And now let me complete this process little more because here I am repeating this particular work again and again. So for that, what do I do is I'll do one thing like I'll cut it and I'll name it as function gen UI. So this is the function which is going to generate the UI for whatever the products are available. So now if I run the program, you don't see any products over here because this function, yes, if you click on this, you may get it. But in the beginning, you are not able to see that because this function is not yet called. So you make it called immediately like this, right? This is one way you can do this. You can make it as a self-executable function as well, but don't do that right now because the scope will be deferred. Okay, let us not use that, but yes, it is possible. Now, even after sorting, also you need to do the same thing. Am I right? So instead of doing the same thing if manually, what do I do is first I will sort the products and after that I will call GenUI. So this logic actually sorted the products and then I call the GenUI. So this will also work without any problem. So here also I can do the same thing. So I will sort the products and then I will call gen UI so that it got refactored the products properly. Okay. And then if you really want to reduce the um, reduce the code, yes, of course you can reduce the code. If else, nowadays we stopped writing the if else. A dot price question mark -1:1. Acha, acha. This is here, it is 1 -1. So here also, we don't need to write all these things. Return A dot price is greater than B dot price question mark 1, sorry, -1. So you can reduce as much as possible. You got it? So this is what happens in every Flipkart. So whatever the features you are required or needed, please ping me on the WhatsApp, in the comment section below, and hope you like it. Whatever the doubts you have, whatever the queries you have, ping me in the chat box. Comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.